2007 Damon Motor Coach Daybreak M3270 series for sale in West Seneca, New York 14224. Spread your wings and fly with this 2007 Damon Motor Coach Daybreak M3270 series. This Class A motorhome is 35 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan that can comfortably sleep up to 6 guests. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong Triton V10 gasoline engine that is mated with an automatic transmission. This RV has one large 12-foot slide-out and one 20-foot awning. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with captain's chairs, leveling system and backup camera. With only 23,396 miles, you can rest assured that this Damon Daybreak will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2007 Damon Motor Coach Daybreak M3270 series is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include plenty of storage space both inside and out, solid surface countertops, 3-burner cooktop/OvenMicrowaveRefrigerator/FreezerDouble kitchen, SinkDinette with bench seating, upgraded 32-inch flat screen and living area, 2 sofas, large bathroom and ShowerMaster, queen-size bed, upgraded 19-inch flat screen and master bedroom, full master closet/Dresser50 AMP Generator, 5,500 watts dual air conditioners, trailer, HitchTilt steering with cruise control, tires all around replaced within the last year, and so much more. This 2007 Damon Motor Coach Daybreak M3270 series is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Damon Daybreak is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2007 Damon Motor Coach Daybreak M3270 series.